I know I can.
The engine cheered as tracks grew steep and clouds appeared. She pulled with brighter whistle eye. She felt like she was about to fly. But winds grew sharp, the slope grew tall, her tiny wheels began to stall.
I think I can.
She said once more, yet slower now than just before. The thoughts grew dark, the freight was vast, her courage thinned, her breath ran fast.
I maybe can?
Her words felt flat. She trembled, slept, and that was that. The sky hung heavy, grey and low. The little engine stopped her flow. She gave all that she had got.
I tried my best, but I cannot.